Hey friends, welcome back to Get a Simple. Today, we're diving into the world of web design with one of the most out there, Elementor Pro. All right, let's get started. So, what exactly is Elementor Pro? Well, it's a game-changing WordPress plugin that empowers you to design stunning websites with ease, all without touching a single line of code. Whether you're a seasoned web designer or just starting out, with Elementor Pro, you can easily create unique layouts and designs for your website using an intuitive drag-and-drop editor. This is a very strong tool. Elementor Pro offers an all-inclusive solution for every website with more than 300 expertly created templates. It's easy to make personalized headers, footers, and archive pages with the theme builder. You can create stunning product pages, cart pages, and checkout pages with Elementor Pro's WooCommerce builder without ever leaving the editor. You can display personalized material according on user interactions and the time of day with the help of the dynamic content feature. You may make modifications to your website and yet maintain workflow efficiency thanks to Elementor Pro's global widgets and styles. Furthermore, Elementor Pro comes with integrated marketing features like social media sharing and email opt-in forms. Now, here's the exciting part. Elementor can take your web design skills to the next level. That's a wrap for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment letting us know what you're most excited to create with Elementor Pro.